Let's move to our next part of this lesson, which is the legal requirements. The legal requirements. What are the legal requirements for this meeting? Legal requirements. Legal requirements. Now, one legal requirements of a meeting, obviously, candidates, is a notice. Anytime you are discussing anything to do with meetings, candidates, the notice is a very important thing. The quorum, the minutes. So while later meetings require formal notice, this first one is often held by consent of all directors. There is no legal requirement to have a notice, but the meeting is held by way of consent. It is held by consent of all directors that are named in the incorporation documents immediately after the company is formed. That is a legal requirement in relation to notice. Then number two, we have quorum. What is the requirement when it comes to quorum? Now, the minimum number of directors are usually 2 for public companies and 1 for private company, unless the articles say otherwise. So for a private company, 1 director forms a quorum. For public company is a minimum of 2. That is a quorum. 3 minutes. What is the requirement when it comes to minutes? Now, there has to be detailed minutes taken during this meeting, because this will be because these minutes may be requested, for example, by the bank. When opening the bank account, the bank may need to have a resolution. So you cannot have a resolution when the minutes are not, when the resolution is not minuted. So there ought to be detailed minutes, because these minutes may be requested by the bank to open accounts. They may also be requested by the registrar of companies during audits. That is the legal requirement on minutes.